This Notion AI hack will save you 5 hours a week. What if I told you one simple Notion AI hack could save you 5 hours every single week without changing your routine? Let me show you how to work way smarter, not harder. If you're a solopreneur, creator, remote worker, or side hustler, you already wear too many hats. Content planning, client emails, brainstorming, tracking, it's a lot. But Notion AI, it's like hiring a virtual assistant that never sleeps and costs less than coffee. Hack number 1, Instant Weekly Planner Generator. Set up a template in Notion with prompts like summarize my tasks, generate content ideas, and prioritize my goals. Then just click Ask AI. Boom, you've got a full week mapped out in minutes. Pro tip, save the prompt so you just duplicate it weekly. Hack number 2, Daily Stand-Ups, Auto-Written Notion. AI can generate your daily stand-up or journal entries based on what's already in your database. Ask it, what did I do yesterday? What should I focus on today? Now you're checking in with yourself without thinking about it. Hack number 3, Instant Email and Message Drafts. Got a rough idea for an email or proposal? Type a messy bullet list, highlight it, and click AI. Improve writing. It polishes everything like magic, and it actually sounds like you. Hack number 4, turn notes into action. Dump messy meeting notes or brainstorms into Notion. Ask AI to summarize, create tasks, or extract deadlines. It's like turning chaos into clarity without doing the heavy lifting. Bonus hack, recurring systems with AI touch. Create recurring templates like content planner, weekly review, or client check-in. Then embed AI prompts that refresh them every time, automatically personalized and updated. That's the Notion AI power move. Save hours, reduce mental load, and finally get ahead without burnout. Check the description for my Notion AI productivity template and setup walkthrough. Hit subscribe if you're building smarter workflows, stacking income streams, or just want more hours back in your day. See you in the next one.